Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all? Fine, sir. Okay, so today we will have your narration and group discussion as it happens. First, I'll be briefing you about the topic, then, I'll be giving you time to write about that topic. Clear? After that, I'll be collecting your sheets, and after that, you will start with your individual narration. In that narration, you have to speak about 4 things: your introduction, you're coming from which place, what are your parents doing, and why you want to join the Indian Air Force. Okay, and after that you will narrate about the topic one by one. We will start from here, Vasudev, then we will move like this, and as soon as Nikesh, the last person, finishes, automatically your group discussion will start. Are the instructions clear to you? Yes, sir. Okay, now let me tell you about the topic on which you will do the narration and GD. So the topic for today's discussion is ban on smartphones in schools. Now let me brief you about this topic. We have seen an incident in our country only where the smartphone of a girl was found and she committed suicide. In July 2023, UNESCO also said that there should be a ban on the smartphones inside the school premises, right? As we all know that some students might need the smartphones, they have to call to their parents or someone else after the school gets over, but at the same time it also serves as a distraction to the students in their studies, and at the same point of time it is also used for various wrong illegal methods such as photos and video recording of female students inside the washrooms. It is also used as a distraction meanwhile the class is running. It is also used for various other things such as recording someone who is abusing someone else and then using that video to blackmail others. So is the topic clear to you? Yes, sir. So I want your views to be written first and then to be narrated first, okay, on the same topic. Is there anyone who has any doubt about the topic? No, sir. No? So shall we start for the discussion part? Yes, sir. Okay. So I'll be giving you the time to write, and then after you will submit it and then the narration will start. Clear? Yes, sir. Okay, gentlemen. So first you have to write about it. So you may start writing. Okay, so now I have the sheets. Now one by one you will give your individual narration, and as soon as Nikesh finishes, the group discussion will start. Okay, as I've told you, first 15 to 20 seconds you will introduce yourself. What is your name, what is your educational qualification, the place you are coming from, your parents are doing what, and why you want to join the Air Force. And after that you will narrate within 1 minute about this topic. Are the instructions clear? Okay, so we will start from Vasudev.
So good morning everyone. My name is Vasudev. I am from Didwana, Rajasthan. My father is farmer, and I joined to Indian Air Force because of the worthy attracts me more. And in this topic, we discuss about the smartphone ban in the schools. I think the smartphone is a ban for the school because of the attracts the study and the sports activities also. And if any student wants the smartphone so that they can use the keypad phone for the conversation for in a parents and thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Atiti Sagar. I am from Bihar. My father is a primary school teacher. His name is Bikram Kumar, and I am motivated to join Indian Air Force because of my brother. He is a Sainik school cadet and he motivates me to join Air Force. That's why I want to join Indian Air Force.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Devanshu. I come from Bihar and I have done my schooling from Sainik School, Kodagu, both my 10th and 12th. And I want to join the Air Force since I like the sky, since I love the sky as well as I love to fly planes, the remote control ones as well as the real ones.
Good morning everyone. My name is Satyam Pandey. I have done my schooling from SJVS Inter College, and my father name is Sanjeev Kumar Pandey. He is an ex-serviceman. I want to join Indian Air Force because of it gives me an opportunity to serve for my motherland, and it will also provide me a good life. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Umar Ramzan Malik. I am from Jammu and Kashmir. My father's name is Muhammad Ramzan Malik. He is a farmer. I want to join the Indian Air Force because it give me an opportunity to serve the country. Not only that, it also teaches us the how to manage the discipline in our life. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. Myself, Aman Yadav. I am from Azamgarh, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my class 12 from Sri Ram Convent School, and my father is involved in farming. I want to join Indian Air Force because I am much dedicated towards it. I want to serve my motherlands due to that's love, affection, and dedication. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. I am Mukesh Kumar Gujar from Sikar, Rajasthan. My father is serving in CRPF. As I belong to land of sacrifice at Shekhawati, it motivates me to join Indian Air Force and touching the sky with the glory. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Riya Kachi. I have completed my 12th from PM Shri KV GCF number 1. My father is an ex-serviceman from Indian Air Force, and that is why I am motivated to join the Indian Air Force.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Archana. I have done my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Triple IT, Jhalwa. My father is in Air Force, my mother is a beautician, and I want to join Indian Air Force as my father is serving in the Indian Air Force, and I am motivated because of him.
Good morning, all of you. I am Mayank Singh. I have completed my 12th from Bal Bharati School Civil Lines. My father is a farmer, and I want to join Indian Air Force to serve my country and also to fulfill my dream. Thank you.
So hello, good morning all of you. My name is Keshav. I am from Rewari, Haryana. My father is ex-serviceman from army. He serves up to 17 years to army. Some lines to motivate me: soldier, live by chance, love by choice, and kill by professions. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nikesh Kumar Singh. I am from Buxa, Bihar. My father is currently serving in BSF, and I want to join Indian Air Force because of the prestige and honor it gives is unmatchable. Thank you.
So, a gentleman, as mobile smartphone has pro and cons, and it has.
Okay, gentlemen, so now your individual narration, writing part and GD is over. Now I'll be giving you one by one the feedback. This feedback will not be given there in the Air Force because they'll just give you marks. But here, as we are supposed to coach you and train you, so I'll be giving you the individual feedbacks. Okay? So Vasudev, you stand up. Your way of speaking is good. Fine. This Aditi, you. Okay, gentlemen, so the individual narration, writing part and your GD is over. And after this, in the Air Force, you will be asked to leave that place and the remarks will be given to you. So that was all about today's GD. Thank you so much. Jai Hind. All the best.